Now let's talk about the after events. So in the after events, 4 events are there: after insert, update, delete and undelete. So first one is the after insert. So here, as similar to the before insert, where we are checking the things before the insertion of data or want to perform any changes before the insertion of data, at that time we use this before insert. But now, after the record is saved into this database, then only we want to perform any kind of changes or the updation or any kind of task we want to perform, then in such cases we will going to run our trigger on after insert event. Okay, now the second thing is, we also need this after triggers whenever I want to perform something updation on the related data. Okay, like I want to create the related records, or I want to update the related records. So in such cases, whenever the second object is needed, then you can take help of after. And even if on the same object also you want to do some kind of updation and want to require some of the fields which are set by the system, like the requirement is there, account record is there. As soon as account record is user try to insert the account record, you will going to update its description field with the record id. Now here, if you see that the object is single only, on the single object only I need to update this description field. So should I use the before insert there? Because in the case of before, whenever the same object is needed or required, then we used to go for the before. But no, you will not going to take help of before here. Why? Because here in this requirement we need to access a field value which is set by the system, that is the record id or last modified date or created date. Of these type of values are needed, then these values are only set by the system once the data is available in the Salesforce or inserted into the Salesforce. So in this requirement we will going to take help of after insert, because once the record is saved into the database, then only I will going to get that record id. Okay, so few exceptions are there. Other than this, if the norm for the normal scenarios, you will going to see whenever the two objects are needed there, you will going to take help of this after. Okay, let's suppose the requirement is there: as soon as account record is inserted, create its related contact also. Okay, so here related contact record I need to create. Again, how you will going to set a relation among these two objects? Using the record id only, that is the lookup value, and in the lookup we used to add the ids. Okay, so you will going to now take help of here after insert. If we talk about the context variable, this time you will going to have a value in trigger.new and trigger.new map. Okay, so the both will going to give you the value. Why new map? Because this time record is now saved in the database, id is available, so the map will also going to give you the value. Old and old map will not going to give you any value, because these are the older versions, but our records are the newly created ones, so we'll not going to have any older version. Okay,